Hi, today I will teach you about estimating the product. But first, I will give you the background information regarding about on how are you going to estimate the products of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 2 to 3 digit numbers. Estimating the products, we round off the factors to its nearest highest place value. Then we're going to multiply the rounded numbers. The words about, around, approximate do not ask for an actual answer, but instead we're going to estimate for the answer. Let's have this example. We have 272 times 21. We're going to follow the steps on how we're going to estimate this. First, we're going to round the multiplicand and multiplier to the highest place value. Look at 272. It is a 3-digit number, and the number here that has the highest place value is 2. Number 2, which is in the hundreds place. Then we're going to look at the number at the right of 2. Can you tell me what number is at the right of 2? Exactly, this is 7. This number will tell us if we're going to round up or round down. Always remember that if the number at the right of the number to be rounded is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, all you need to do is you're going to round up. It means that you're going to add 1 to the number that you're going to round off. So 2 will become 3, and all numbers at the right of 2 will become 0. So therefore, 272 when rounded to the highest place value, it will become 300. Let's proceed to the multiplier. We have here a 2-digit number. So the number that has the highest place value here is 2 because it is in the tens place. Then we're going to look at the number at the right of 2. That is 1. Okay, this number will tell us if we're going to round up or round down. So since that 1 is the number at the right of 2, what does it mean? Are we going to round up or round down? Okay, very good. We're going to round down. Always remember that if the number at the right of the number to be rounded is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, it means that you're going to round down. So 21 rounded to the nearest tens, it will become 20. Okay, so what will be the next step that we're going to do? We're going to multiply the rounded numbers. Since it ends in zeros, we're going to multiply the non-zero digits. And what are the non-zero digits here? So we have 3 and 2. If we're going to multiply 2 and 3, the product is equal to 6. And then we're going to count for the number of zeros as the estimated product. So let's count for the number of zeros. We have here 1, 2, 3. So these 3 zeros will be written here in our product. So therefore, 6,000 is the estimated product of 272 times 21. Let's have this another example. We're going to estimate the product of 7,245 times 183. So we're going to follow the same steps. Step number 1, we're going to round the multiplicand and multiplier to the highest place value. Look at our multiplicand. This is a 4-digit number. So the number here that has the highest place value is 7. Then we're going to look for the number at the right of 7. Can you tell me what number is at the right of 7? Yes, that is 2. Exactly. So what does it mean? If the number at the right of the number being rounded is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, are we going to round up or round down? Very good. So we're going to round down. So when we are talking of round down, the number to be rounded will not change. So 7,245 rounded to the nearest thousands, the answer is equal to 7,000. Now let's proceed to the multiplier. Our number is 183. This is a 3-digit number. So it means that the number here that has the highest place value is 1. Then we're going to look for the number at the right of 1. Can you tell me what number is at the right of 1? Yes, very good. This is 8. So since that 8 is the number at the right of 1, what are we going to do? Are we going to round up or round down? Exactly, we're going to round up. So when we are round up means we're going to add 1 to the number to be rounded. So 1 plus 1, it will become 2, and all numbers at the right of 1 will become 0. So 183 rounded to the nearest hundreds, it will become 200. Now let's proceed to the next step. We're going to multiply the rounded numbers. 7,000 times 200. So since that it ends again in zeros, we're going to multiply the non-zero digits. And the non-zero digits here are 7 and 2. We're going to multiply this number. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Then we're going to count for the number of zeros. Count the number of zeros as the estimated product. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write here below 5 zeros. Okay? So therefore, estimated product of 7,245 times 183 is equal to 1,400,000. Okay? So did you understand our lesson for today? Very good. See you the next time. Bye.